First, make paper cuttings of shapes like square, semicircle and others from different colored glazed paper with the help of scissors. Now apply adhesive and paste the long pieces of glazed paper shapes to make the tall buildings. Similarly, paste small square pieces to make the windows. The road still looks empty, isn't it? Paste rectangular cuttings for the road. Next, paste the cuttings for wires and paste the semicircles to make the paper birds on the wires. And here it is! Your cityscape looks really great!